So guys, for the first step, you want to disable secure boot in your BIOS. It's going to be different for everyone because we're all using a different BIOS. However, you want to disable secure boot for your BIOS. You want to temporarily disable it. If you can't disable it, then just move on to the next steps anyway. For the next step, once you're on the Windows installation screen, you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard at the same time, which will pull up the command prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in bootrec space / fix mbr and then click on enter. And now you want to type in bootsect space / nt60 space sys and then click on enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec space / fix boot, click on enter again. And now you want to type in bootrec space / rebuild bcd, click on enter again. And we can now close out of this. It should now let you continue with your Windows installation and then the problem should be fixed.